Hey guys, it's Steph with ThatFreeSpending.com, and I'm videotaping myself this evening because hubby's helping little guy with his homework. So we're on to, I think, day 6 of our challenge at this point, and tonight we're going to be talking about starting to look at your filing and your paperwork. And so basically what we're going to do first is I'm going to show you how I basically store my papers until I'm ready to file, because I don't have enough time to file every day. So I actually keep them in a tote or box that you'll see here in a few seconds, and then I do all my filing at one time, usually every like 2 or 3 months. It takes about 2 or 3 months for my bin to fill up. So we're going to take a look at the office here, and I'm going to flip the camera around and you can come with me to see. This is basically used to be our kitchen, actually, until we remodeled and added on. We general contracted our own addition and so did all the work ourselves. This actually used to be our old dining room. I mean, not our old kitchen, our old dining room. And so because I am a business owner and a teacher, I do have a complete professional filing cabinet, as you can see. And right now it's really junked up, and we're going to be organizing the office here in a couple days and talking about that. But for now, I just wanted you to see that there are times where duty does call for a heavy duty type filing cabinet. And so on this side, you can see these are all my cabinets where I keep all my office supplies. Oop, let me get the French door out of the way there. And my bookshelf where I have my fax machine, and all of my magazines are ordered by season because I love to get ideas for magazines. And obviously my desk needs some work as well too. So we'll be taking a look at that in a couple days. But for now, let's come back to how I file. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out all the filing that I haven't done for about, like I said, 2 months. It takes about 2 months to fill up this bin, at least, if not more. I think the last date that I saw was like actually October, and they're September. So you're looking at even maybe 4 months worth of filing that I do at one time. And I just don't have the time to file every single day, unfortunately. That's my next goal for this year, is to work on being able to file the day that it comes in so that I don't even need my bin. But I think you'll always probably at some level need a bin, because there are just some days where you can't file at all. So basically what I do is I have a little bit over here as well, and I clear off the whole counter and I clear off the table, and then I go through and sort by bill type, and then I file in my filing cabinet, which we'll take a look at here in a second as well. So once I have everything filed and put in piles, or like sorted, I should say, sorted and put in piles, then I come back to my filing cabinet, and that's obviously separated. Let me go ahead and pull that out. With and although we're gonna actually, I'd like to do a video maybe in a couple weeks and redo my whole filing cabinet and color code it, but for now you can see I have everything labeled in alphabetical order. First I have personal files, and then in the next one down is personal as well, and then the third one, many of you might know that we have a nonprofit where we actually do our give away free toiletries to about 200 needy people every month. And then on the bottom I have all the blog stuff. So I do think there are times where, you know, to sort and file paperwork, you really need to have a filing cabinet with hanging file folders. I am 100% a firm believer in some kind of hanging file system. Even if you can't afford a filing cabinet, maybe you just want to do crates and stack them, the stackable crates from like Walmart. I think they're like $5 a piece, but hanging file folders with labels in alphabetical order are your best bet for sorting your files. And so, like I said, once I get everything sorted out of my bin, I will put it in alphabetical order in the filing cabinet, and then from there I'll even purge those files like I'd say every 6 months to a year. I will go through and I will get rid of files that I don't need. So again, if you don't have some kind of filing system, at least go to Walmart and buy the $5 crates and get some hanging file folders with labels, because really hanging file folders are where it's at. And it's so easy for me to find receipts, and we had an issue with a car dealership last night and had to come home and quickly grab all the paperwork from our most recent vehicle that we had to buy. And so it just is really helpful to stay organized with your filing, because if you do, then you actually can save more money that way with receipts, warranties, knowing where your hospital bills are, knowing what you've already paid on things. So that is another lesson. So hopefully you guys have a great night, and we'll talk to you soon. Say hi, Jasper. Jesse, say hi. Oh, all right, bye guys.